apple fell on my face. Now here we are back at the bus. Took last weekend off, went and did some camping and some hiking. And we got to get back in here and get going on this thing because I think my parents are getting tired of looking at this bus in their driveway. Don't have the tin for that yet. Can't fill that in. We have a lot of rivets still to do, a lot. And Christina's going to work on that. I'm going to work on taking the windows out and covering them back up. I think that's my plan for this weekend, is to get these back windows covered and take the glass out. Gonna have to sandblast that all because it's just a mess. So get that all taken care of, get as many of these rivets done. We'll see if I can talk Jacob into coming with me tomorrow, my son. See if I can talk him into coming and doing some rivets. Get him out of the house. But let's get at it. Things don't get done if you don't do them. Yeah, that'll work. Nice. All right, I cut this panel to the dimensions I wanted to cover this window, and it's gonna go right up in there like that. It's just gonna cover from the outside, unlike the side ones that we did from the inside, but that can't really be done here. So I'm going to attach it at the top corners here so that I can hang it down so that I can take the window out and sandblast in behind it. Well, I get to do the fun, exciting stuff of replacing windows. Christina gets to do the tedious, incredibly boring job of putting rivets in. Glad it's not me.
It's the job that never ends. 'Cause it goes on and on, my friends.
I've got these all cut now and I have to take this glass out. I've cleaned off here where that decal was, so I'll get the rest later. But I need to take the glass out so that I can lay this piece over and put it into place. This is very easy to do. Come closer. There's this lock piece here. You don't have to be that close. You just pull it out with a screwdriver. It'll come out all the way around. And that's going to loosen the frame right up, so now I just get a screwdriver and I'll be able to pry it right out. I'll probably do it with this little wee one. Yeah. So you see, it's going to pry back in. I'll be able to push it back in. I'm not going to fight with that on camera. That's all you got to do, is just pry it out. give you just 2 flat screwdrivers, get it up in behind the metal there, and get another one up in behind there, and you can pry it. You can see that I can push the glass back. Just the corners is the problem. So get in on the corner and just pry it in there. It'll go. Just keep pushing it. Okay, so I was doing it the hard way. I love doing things the hard way first. If you just run up inside here, you can actually peel this away from the glass because it's a much smaller rubber on the inside. So there it is right there. I can just work it out right here. So this will all just, and the glass will just come right out. You don't need to, I don't want it to slip, so just, there. Come up all the way on the top here. Being careful not to crack the glass because I don't want to break it. There we go. There we go. Glass is out and the rubber just comes out.
And this is exactly the way we had to.
All rotted out in here, all along this side. But this is the worst. Now, we're not gonna fight to fix this because we'll put cabinets in the back.
Yeah,
So
just
it's
gives
gonna
us
get
extra
covered.
storage space.
Yeah, it's gonna get covered. And then we can go. Drill. So Christina's just running some rivets in across the top and then partway down the side. I don't want to get too far ahead because I don't want it to get all warped on us here. So that's going to look great. There it is, one side completely done. Other side, I took out the glass and took off the decal up above. I'm gonna take out those screws and put that one in.
Okay, so while I'm doing this, don't forget to do all the YouTube stuff, you know, like and subscribe.
And leave a comment. Window number 2 deleted. Looks good. Back at the bus today, just me and Dad. Going to put the max air fans, one up above the shower area, one up over above the kitchen area, and then we're going to remove and delete the emergency exit because we have 4 emergency windows. 3 emergency windows, and we don't need that. And it's just kind of an eyesore. It's going to be in the way of the solar panels and such. I'm going to fire the thing up, let it run for an hour because the battery's getting a little bit low. It hasn't run for quite a while, so then we'll get at it. There it is. Hole number 1 for the roof vent at the back. Cut. I hope it fits. There we go. Roof vent number 1 in. Not so hard. Dad's working on covering up the old escape hatch. He's got it all out. He's cleaning it all up around it. And we have this extra piece of tin from a window delete that we didn't end up doing. So we're going to use that. There we go. 2 roof vents on. We discovered we cannot delete the escape hatch. The piece I have isn't wide enough. It's long enough, but not wide enough, so we'll have to get a piece cut to put there next weekend. But now I think I'm just going to do rivets. Check it out. Roof vent from the inside and roof vent on the inside. And once we get it all framed out, spray foamed, we'll be able to put the cowl in along the bottom, trim it up to fit nicely, hook them up, and they'll be ready to go. So I'm not going to have much GoPro footage because I broke my GoPro mount, the magnet one. Fell off the bus yesterday and it broke. C'est la vie. I don't know what's going on with our drill bits, but every single one of them that we've been using to drill for the rivets along the roofline has bent. They're bending down at the shaft where it goes into the jaw, and I don't know why, and I'm not too happy about that, so I'm off to pick up another handful of bits. And there it is. Second side is done. Just got a handful. I ran out of rivets. 3 more I could have put there. I don't want to put these ones in, these ones, until we do the roof, and then I need some for along in here on those anyway, so I'm going to pick up some more and we're done. It's nice to have those done. That's it for today. Probably that's it for the rest of the week. I don't know if we'll get out there anymore, maybe tomorrow or Tuesday, but my son's graduation is this week, so we don't have much time for any running around, so that may be it. I'm out of rivets, but as you saw, the entire roof line is done now, so we should be able to get the tin for the transition. We should be able to get that this week, and next weekend we'll be putting that in, so I better pick up some more rivets for that because we have to rivet a lot of that down. So that's it for now. Hope you liked this video this week. Go ahead and give it a like, leave us a comment. We love the comments. Subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. A lot of traffic out today. Give us a subscribe. We love having the new subscribers. And yeah, leave us a comment. Check out our store if you want, www.genx-ventures.com. We got some custom printed shirts and such like that that we're wearing all the time, like the one I got on right now. This moose, I draw this moose. I've been drawing this moose since I was about 8, maybe 10. Anyway, see you next time.